Hello? Goodbye. Anyway, getting ready for the 2024 driving season / racing season. First, secured the battery down. Made a little battery strap. It's bolted together underneath. Gonna get rid of the zip tie, even though I think that would pass tech in most situations for the, beginner level stuff. Then now on to the next thing. Last night, it was kind of boring install, so I didn't record it. All I did was install this BMR Panhard relocation kit. And the idea was because the boob who put the exhaust on put it between the bars, and it was getting crunched right up under there, and then on top it was getting crunched between the bars. Now that bar is really out of the way. And the idea was, heck, that's only $100. If I slap that on there, then I won't have to fuck with the exhaust. But then, as you can see, the exhaust is super low. Like, way too low. And I have a lead on some 1-inch lowering springs. Nothing drastic. I don't think it should give me any adverse effects on the stock suspension. But I do have some adjustability with the torque arm, and then I'm gonna get the adjustable Panhard bar. You see, it's not on here. I didn't get it yet, but I did get the rear lower control arm lowering brackets as well. There's a guy in Michigan who's got these nice lowering springs. Hotchkiss. Yeah, Hotchkiss. $150, 1-inch drop. Exactly what I need. But guy has COVID, so he's like, hey, I'll let you know next week. I'll hold him for you. We need more of those guys. We are going to take the exhaust, try to tuck it up in there more. And then I'm thinking, for sake of simplicity, and I'm not an exhaust guy, I'm not a welder, I don't have a pipe bender, I ain't got nothing. I have a welder, though, Amazon welder. So I'm going to see what I can do. But I also thought it would be pretty neat to have a little side exit action going on here. What? What are you doing? Come on. Come on, you fuck. Dude, you're such an ass. Just this is actually, I was just doing this to clear this because I was just completely ran wrong and it was crunching, but I did actually end up lowering it, or raising the exhaust up a wee bit. There we go. You can see how high that sits versus how high it used to sit, which I don't know if I got under here when I had the GoPro out before. Okay, so, yeah, that's how they had it. It's getting pinched right there. And this is how it is now. And then look how low that was. Super low. see, it's like the entire diameter of that pipe below the torque arm. Now it's like half. This is not how the exhaust is going to end. We are going to take it out the sides in front of the rear wheels because, like I said, I'm not messing with this, you know, having that one come up around, back through here, and then back out around here, and then back out this way above me. And the reason I'm not doing that is because I think I can build the rest of this pipe. So I'm reusing all this stuff. I just cut it here and move stuff around and use some pipe I had laying around that was already smashed up to make fit before. And I believe I should be able to use more stuff we already have. So essentially this is like free and solves one of my problems completely, and then lessens the other problem. Like the exhaust is still kind of low. Coming off the headers is like really low. This cross member is super low. Now the future solution for that would be this, I believe. The Hooker cross member. I think as it is, it's for it's to fit a TH400, but then they have a then they have a an adapter kit. I think it's just like a plate or something to like extend it or move the holes or something like that. I don't know. I just read it really quickly. So that's like the actual fix. Now what's cool is I can put that on and still just run this out to the side. You see it's got those two like bullet style mufflers on there. So that's still a thing, but that's $400, and this cross member was like, I don't know. I don't think it was quite that much, but it was you know, it was around that. It was, you know, whatever. So I have it, and you know, trying to sell it. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. All right, here we go. So after chopping that up, that bank up, we've got. Oh, you can see it used to scrape pretty freaking bad there. But anyway, so going from the header, coming back out, come right here. This is obviously super long because I just got this lined up here, and I had to take this off to cut her down. So actually, yeah, this piece came off of that, and this came off the end. So I just kind of rearranged the parts that were already there, and then this is on here, and I'm just kind of, we'll see. Will it come out like this, or I don't know, like this, maybe like this, who knows, I don't know. But it'll be better than crunching the exhaust back there, and I'm just working with what I already have, parts I already bought. Not, you know, you don't want it to be an endless money pit, more than they already are, so. I was only trying to tack it, but I just kept going a little overboard there. I just need to see if this even fits up in there, so. But I really don't know what I'm doing. These knobs and whatever that's displaying, I don't understand. And like, this has amps and wire speed in different charts, and this has amps and wire speed together, and this one just has the voltage. But the voltage makes sense, like, okay, for 14 gauge 20 volt, or I'm sorry, yeah, see, that's why it's confusing. This has volts, and then it has -3 to +3 mig voltage. Dude, I don't know. So I gotta even see, like, which of these techs are even good. Like, that one looks okay. That one trying to bridge the gap is super blobby, so who knows? We're gonna keep working at it, but I eventually need to get these things to be connected. And, yeah, they're kind of far apart in that one section there, so. Oh well, we're gonna just try to get through it. I think the tech makes it so much fucking harder. Anyway, I think the techs are holding pretty good. So that, like, super low setting I had it on must be working, I think. That's just tacked. Fuck it, let's find out. I think it's stuck together. So that was too hot. I just turned the voltage down and it's connecting. Alright. Welding is a lot easier when you have your settings correct. But, like, the really simple settings, like where it says 0.8 and 1.0 for the flux. Yeah, I had it at 0.8, or I mean, I had it at 1 millimeter. I think that's what it means. Whatever, 1.0. Yeah, that's 1 millimeter. And I'm using 0.8 millimeter wire. So that made it very difficult to weld. But anyway, aside from me being stupid part, we got them both finished up. Didn't put a tip on it or cut it. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. I kind of just like that. Maybe I'll cut it some sort of way. But for now, there's this side. Alright. Let's see if we can get a look here. Oh, yeah. It goes down there. And this side is the low side. The other side came out much tighter to the body. Let's see. Oh yeah. Boom. That looks really cool underneath. Let's go give that a look-sees. So from back here, that's what it looks like. This is looking like dead on with the diff, so everything's, you know, everything's above the lowest point. So good enough for who it's for. I just think this looks so cool underneath. Get the new drive shaft in, all the cool BMR parts, and finally this exhaust. Oh, I'm stoked about this. Alright, it seems quite a bit louder for some reason. sounds pretty awesome. For some reason, it sounds different. Just picked up the lowering springs today over pretty much Detroit. Huh. Oh, that's not terrible. It's all over the place. There we go. It's really not that bad from farther away. That sounds wild with the pipes not right next to each other. Oh, brother. Oh, put that there. We're gonna do a little. That is right by your ear. Oh. Dude, that rings my ear. Oh, why does it sound? Why does that sound so much louder? Is it just because it's right by my ear? Like, dude, I can feel that vibration sound in my ear, or that feeling. Oh my goodness. I think it sounds awesome. And look, if it's too loud for like the tracks, we'll put a bigger muffler in there. Oh. Gotta do some LED lights now too. Dude, I think it sounds awesome. It sounds deeper. Dude, maybe it's because it's like bouncing off the walls here too. Let's see what the maximum for that decibel limit was. Oh, brother. Yeah. That's pretty loud by a lot. I think it's like that initial spike, but that really wasn't that bad up here, this far away. Depending on what side they're on, they're only getting half the noise anyway, so we might be all right. Dude, that looks sick. Yo, let's go. All right. That might wrap it for this video. I might do a lowering video next. We'll see. Until then, thanks for watching.